Hey yo, hey, it's Galanda B, and today we're going to be talking about dancing as a mindful reset. Yes, dancing. I'm Galanda B, an emotional awareness coach dedicated to helping you connect to your emotions through mindfulness, enabling you to experience greater joy and peace in your life. Okay, let me just be honest. This here is practical today. So normally you see me, I have my little microphone in my hand. I can't do that today, y'all. You want to know why? It's because the people across the street from me are having a party. hmm It's rocking too. It's so good. The music is so good. Okay, back on track. That being said, I was like, okay, let me get myself together, you know, to get ready to do what I need to do to finish up with my things today. So, y'all, I started out sitting down, not being very mindful. Not only was I researching to do this video, I was also watching a live from somebody I know, attempting to watch a YouTube live at the same time and responding to two different WhatsApp chats. So if you got like kind of lost there for a minute, that was five things. Five things. I actually was probably doing more than that, but that's five things that I could name, right? Let me tell y'all something. Multitasking, it ain't it, right? You don't get anything accomplished with multitasking. And this is where we can roll back to our mindfulness to help get us together. Okay? So let me just kind of say that dancing can be a mindful experience. It can bring you into that present moment where you're paying attention to your body and the music, right? Like right now, the music is off the chain. Okay? The music is off the chain right now. So I want to be present with the music instead of this video, but I'm going to keep going, right? Mindful movement helps you to reduce stress, it helps you to actually increase your focus, and it helps your mood. I mean, who isn't happy after dancing? I don't know, right? All I can tell you is that neuroscience says that dancing helps boost multiple areas of your brain, right? And this helps the mental overwhelm. And in this case, I was doing the mental overwhelm to myself. It wasn't even external. Why was I trying to do all of those different things, y'all? I don't know. I don't know. Well, anyway, I finally said, Galanda, you're not getting nothing done. Go ahead and get up and dance. So I got up and did a little shimmy. Now, it was more than a little, but y'all don't need to know all that. But I got up and I danced. And after I danced for about 5 or 10 minutes, I was able to get my focus back on what I needed to do, which was record this video for y'all, right? Because I said I was going to do that. And so I'm telling you this that if you're starting to feel overwhelmed, right? See, I told y'all the music's so good. If you're starting to feel overwhelmed and you need a reset, turn on your playlist. Play a few songs. Move your body. Dancing also helps to increase endorphins, which help boost your mood. When your mood is better, you can focus better. You can focus better. And this doesn't have to be, 20, 30 minutes. This could be 5 minutes. You can get a whole jam. Listen, two good songs on your playlist could really help reduce your mental overload. Being present with your body, the beats, the bass can help your mental focus, right? So when you're doing all this multitasking, this over here, this over there, all around, break that playlist out, put on two, maybe three songs, be fully present in the moments of the music. Enjoy it, right? And then get back to your activity that you're supposed to do, like me. Even though the music is still playing in the background, it's a little bit distracting, right? But I got it done. I was able to focus enough to come on here and tell y'all that dancing can be a mindful activity. It's a mindful activity that not only helps to shift your focus, right? Help you not be so scattered, but also boost your mood. And moving your body is always good. Okay? Until next time, bye bye. Er, not calm. I'm Galanda B, an emotional awareness coach dedicated to. I'm Galanda B. Why is this damn music?